Good evening from the Tulsa Metro, where the city behind us may be calm tonight, but questions about state leadership continue to build. We're following up on our reporting from last week on contract cuts to mental health agencies across Oklahoma. At the Capitol today, Governor Kevin Stitt responded. He says services won't be reduced, but that leaders are taking a closer look at spending, shifting money around in the name of efficiency. We begin with what the governor had to say.
I also want to take a moment to address some of the headlines around mental health. And I want to assure Oklahomans that we are providing the same dollars. We're not cutting any kind of services. There are some contracts that we're certainly going through that maybe the RFP process wasn't done accurately, and so we want to re-put those out there. But we've worked really, really hard to make sure that Oklahomans there's no interruption in services. And
Governor Stitt spoke on the issue before anyone had the chance to ask, because the news around mental health contracts are making waves. We told you last week Grand Mental Health, Cree Oaks, and Family and Children's Services faced cuts to state contracts. Providers expressed fears around the cuts, thinking Green Country residents could lose access to key mental health services. Governor Stitt, on the other hand, says there's no reason to fear. He promises it's just part of a process to reallocate money.
Really applaud Allie. She had to turn over. What you're seeing now is because she got rid of her CFO and she got rid of like 4 or 5 of her lieutenants, and then everything started coming up. So sometimes when you have people at agencies that have been there for 30, 40 years, they're moving the ball pretty good. They understand how this building works, and they're paying every invoice so nobody squawks.
Governor Stitt went on to make references to Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency. He says all these efforts are for the Oklahoma taxpayer, making sure dollars are spent wisely and fairly. In past media appearances, Governor Stitt expressed frustration with the salaries of people in leadership at mental health agencies.